Components high and low temperature testing system, temperature control range of -85 degrees to 250 degrees. The equipment is used for temperature control of semiconductor equipment, reactor, distillation system, material aging, and so on. The pressure is realized by the pointer pressure gauge, and the circulating system pressure is displayed on the touch screen through the pressure sensor. Customized color touch screen temperature curve support can be compiled 10 programs, each program 40 steps. Siemens PLC fuzzy PID control with cascade control algorithm to solve the problem of signal lag. Snap type mechanical door handle for easy removal of panels. Tecumseh, Emerson and other brand refrigeration accessories to protect the continuous work at high and low temperature. External temperature sensor, temp sensor or communication given cascade control to control outlet temperature of thermal media.